Greetings and welcome. This is a guided meditation to connect with your spirit guides. Before we begin the meditation, I recommend taking a moment to bring your awareness to a situation or area of interest that you are most seeking clarity, insight, guidance, and direction on at this point in your life, in the now. So that as we're connecting with our guides, we can connect with the guide that is most supporting you with this particular area of interest or situation. You can pause the recording for a moment as you're deciding on what to focus on and resume when you're ready. Welcome back. Let's begin our meditation by finding a comfortable place to sit. You can sit in a chair or find a comfortable seat on the floor, on a cushion, whatever feels comfortable for you. Once you're situated, let's go ahead and take a moment to close the eyes, easing into yourself. Finding that space of inner quiet, making whatever adjustments you'd like to make in your physical body to drop into deeper ease and comfortability in the body. And then turning your attention towards your breathing. Noticing the sensations happening in your body in response to your breathing. And using your breathing to support you in coming into a sense of grounded centeredness in the body. Relaxing the bones of the body, relaxing the muscles. Breathing in spaciousness into the body with each breath. And on each exhale, releasing tensions from the body and dropping deeper into yourself. Inhaling spaciousness and expansion. And exhale, releasing tensions from the body, dropping deeper into yourself. Finding your own natural rhythm of breathing. Taking just a moment now to bring your attention to the very center of your head, down to the center of your heart, the spiritual heart in the center of your chest. And dropping down to center your presence into the solar plexus chakra for just a moment, which is located below the rib cage and above the navel. And placing your attention at the very root of the spine, and downward one last time to the soles of the feet. Noticing how good it feels to be grounded in the body. Using your intention to bring your mental and emotional bodies into alignment with your physical body in the here and now. Grounded, centered, relaxed, yet awake and aware. Bringing yourself into a nice space of relaxed, open receptiveness. And as you're feeling ready, bring your awareness into the heart center once again, the spiritual heart chakra, breathing into that space. As you're breathing in and out through the heart chakra in a full radius all the way around you, activating heart-centered presence. Use your imagination to envision a little flame of light glowing within the center of your heart chakra. And with each inhale, see this light becoming brighter and more expansive. Notice what it looks like. Notice if there's any particular colors flickering in and out of this flame or not. Becoming aware of this flame of light in your heart as being a living manifestation of your pure soul essence and energy. Continuing to breathe, and with each breath, this soul flame becomes brighter and larger, more radiant, until you can begin to see the tip of that flame flickering up into the throat chakra as it becomes brighter and more expansive, reaching into the third eye chakra and to the crown of the head and beyond, bringing your presence and awareness into the crown chakra above the head, and see the light essence of the crown chakra as shifting up into a golden white light, anchoring your presence and awareness in this sphere of golden white light at the crown of the head, activating your connection to your higher self, the spiritual essence of your being. Taking a moment to just notice how good it feels to be consciously connecting with your higher self. Inviting your higher self to merge completely in oneness with you in this sphere of golden white light, holding space to invite in whatever highest vibrational spiritual guide, teacher, helper is currently most assisting you with whatever situation or area of interest that you are most seeking insight, clarity, direction, and guidance on at this time in your life. Invite that guide into this sphere of golden white light with you. Inviting that guide in as you hold space to receive the presence of this guiding light. Trust whatever you're experiencing as being the energy of your spirit guide drawing near to you now. Perhaps you can recognize a particular energy. Perhaps there's a special sound associated with your spirit guide. Perhaps your spirit guide is showing itself to you in your mind's eye in a particular form. Ask your guide to reveal itself to you in its true form, in ways that you can comprehend, recognize, and identify with. Again, trusting what you're experiencing. Say hello to the guide that's showing up. Say thank you to your guide for joining you in this sphere of golden white light, this sacred energy, space, and time. And begin to simply ask your guide to transmit into your awareness any guiding, helpful insight, information that you're ready to receive, specifically with the situation or area of interest that you're requesting guidance with. Allow yourself to receive this transmission of energy in ways that you can discern as senses, feelings, awarenesses, instincts. Perhaps information is coming to you in the form of divinely inspired words, awarenesses, thoughts, inspirations. Perhaps information is coming to you in the form of images in your mind's eye. Perhaps it's just a knowing in your awareness field. Trust what comes in. Allow this transmission of guidance to complete from your guide. And when you feel complete, thank your guide once again for showing up for you today. In gratitude, ask your guide if there's anything you can do on your end to strengthen your connection with this particular guide. Know that this guide is here for you to access. Anytime you need guidance, clarity, insight, direction, invite this guide to remain connected with you. You can even ask your guide to give you some type of confirmation in the physical world of form within the next 24 hours that tells you that this experience that you had with your guide today is real. And when you're feeling ready, gradually bringing your presence and awareness back down into the body, breathing into the body. Maintaining that awareness of connection that you have with this guide from this day forward. Knowing that you can use this exact same guided meditation to connect with any of your spiritual guides. We all have guides. We have a guide that is our lifelong guide, and we have guides that come and go based on what we're experiencing in life and different life situations. We have guides that support us with each unique situation in our life. And you can call upon these guides anytime you seek spiritual support and guidance. With that awareness, breathing into the body, maybe bringing a little bit of movement into the body, wiggling the fingers, wiggling the toes, noticing this expanded state of being that you're in now after connecting with your guide. See if you can maintain this expanded state of being as you move forward into your day ahead or move forward into your dream time, depending on when you're doing this meditation. I recommend taking a little bit of time to journal about your experience, journaling about the messages that came through your guide, Oftentimes, as we journal about what the messages are that came through, it will help more and more clarity and more details to come as we journal. Also pay attention to how the messages came through, because this will help you in identifying future messages from guides as well. And it will help you to know how to set your awareness to receive insights from your guides. Much love on your journey. Blessings to you, and namaste.